So guys, we're currently on our way to the Jamaican restaurant. Well, we asked our Jamaican friend and he said it's not, he tried it there before and the food is pretty alright, he said. So yeah, but he said it's not just Jamaican, it's also like the whole Caribbean food. Yeah.
But I'm only there for the plantain and the jerk chicken.
Yeah, so I want to try out that. So
oh yes, straight up there.
Yeah, so we're following Google Maps and we'll be there in a sec. You know, for you guys we'll be there in a sec.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright.
Guys, we literally walk up a hill for a while now. You know, so we have hope say food good, you know, we can't walk this along. So the place is called Surrey Hill, right? Surrey?
Rosie Campbell's.
Or the hill that we're going up?
Oh,
is it?
No.
Oh, the place that we...
The suburb.
The suburb is called Surrey Hill. Yeah, so we're going to Rosie Campbell restaurant.
Yeah.
And bar and everything. They have like bands play there at times and yeah. So we've just been going up a hill for a while now actually.
It's big, guys.
Yeah. So here we go. So here we are, guys. This is the place. I'm gonna try focus. Yeah, that's it right there.
Let's go, guys.
So we're gonna try out this place. First, we're gonna try some Jamaican food or Caribbean food. We don't know yet. Yeah, in a foreign.
In a foreign.
Yeah. So we're here now, guys. It's pretty loud, so it's hard to hear us, and also copyright music. So this is the whole vibe of the restaurant. Yeah, so you guys can see. It's supposed to be thankful. Blessings out on the So here we have our patty, guys. I've never seen this kind of settings before. Jerk chicken as well.
Patty.
Let's try it out. You wanna go first?
Alright, ready, guys?
Is it? Kinda?
Let the real Jamaican try.
Alright, here we go.
It's nice.
It's actually
It's
brisket.
pastry. Try. Yeah.
It's like they have scotch bonnet pepper in it.
Scotch bonnet.
It tastes good though, but it's more spicy, like lots of pepper in it. Yeah. It's good though.
Babe's gonna try the chicken, guys.
It's not the same. It's a different flavor. Yeah, try it for yourself. It doesn't taste the spiciness. guys.
So guys, people jamming.
Yeah.
So we just tried, you know, Rosie Campbell's restaurant out here in Surrey Hills.
Yes. Sydney.
Well, let's start off with the service was great. We walked in, they sat us down, and we had an hour and a half because I think they get pretty booked out.
Yeah.
By the sounds of it, so we only had an hour and a half to stay.
True.
If we had a reservation, we could probably stay there longer.
We could have.
But we didn't. So we just want to talk about the food, the patty. We had patties and jerk chicken. So I believe the patty, the actual pastry was nice. It was quite flaky.
Yeah, but a bit spicy, I would say.
Oh my goodness, but the spice, I had to drink
It's
two
like
rums.
it's like they put scotch bonnet in there, like a whole heap of scotch bonnet or something,
gosh,
guys.
I really had to look. Regardless, the food was nice, but I had to drink like a whole rum because I was like, that's spicy, man.
Yeah, the jerk chicken tastes a bit different, but at the same time it's nice because we're not in Jamaica, so we have to satisfy what we get, you know.
And we were right. The jerk chicken
it was good. It was cooked good and everything. So
the jerk chicken
that's the
was
best
cooked,
part.
but it wasn't jerk chicken.
It wasn't jerk.
It was like a dressing, like a sauce.
Yeah, it's like they have a different herbs on it or something as well.
Yeah, like the different herbs for real, guys. But either way, the vibes were lit.
Yeah, it was
as you can see, guys, we had a good time.
Yeah, we had a chat with the owner, with one of the owners.
One of the owners.
And she's Brazilian.
She's Brazilian.
Yeah.
So big up yourself, Priscilla.
Priscilla.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna keep in contact with her because I spoke to her about Babe and his music.
Getting me a gig there. And and I met the DJ that was there as well.
Yeah,
and
definitely. DJ Carmani, guys.
Yeah, so big up yourself. Yeah, man. And so making connections as well. And
well, you know, it's all about making connections for Babe because, you know, eventually his music is soon up and running, hopefully, once we get back from the company and stuff.
True.
So once that's all done, then we can start promoting it.
Yeah, and we asked the owner if they have any Jamaican there, and she was like, no, there isn't any Jamaican.
Yeah, that was a bit of a downfall.
Yeah, because we're expecting to at least meet even one Jamaican there, you know.
No Jamaicans.
She said like there's like Jamaican Australian, Jamaican American, and they basically don't really work there. So
me and Babe were, you know, talking the talk and thinking like, yo, we could do this.
May I tell you,
NJ.
Imagine NJ was here. It'd make a killing with the cooking, man.
NJ.
Yeah, man, let me ask Janua. Because it's like, it's just, it's crazy. I just wish there was like a Jamaican there we could even link up and chat with, and but they're doing their thing, you know, and it's good to see that the culture is out here alive, same way. And she said there was like 2 other Jamaican restaurants.
There was other 2 before the pandemic hit, and then once the pandemic hit, unfortunately they closed down. So therefore it's just them now. So when you Google, we do a Google search, Rosie Campbell's, they're the only ones that really come up. Now I know there's another one in Melbourne, but we didn't get the time to go there yet. So when we do go there, we'll definitely show up.
For sure.
So I'm just really happy. You know, it's a shame that Babe hasn't got his stuff yet to promote him out here, but I believe that 100%.
Yeah, because the DJ could have played the songs right there and then too, you know? That would have been great.
But anyhow, guys, it is what it is, and we're going to just keep pushing, you know, because that's what we do.
For real.
We're going to push this, man. Get him out here, you know?
What I mean? So yeah, that's what's up.
And I don't know where we're walking to now, so
we
must
don't
be
know.
the rum, the Appleton.
Yeah, because we feel good. We feel good.
It's a good
vibe.
Man. Babe, you had an alcoholic drink too.
Yeah, I did.
Don't
and I normally don't drink, so
normally. Normally lie.
You know what I mean? So call it that. Adult deal, you see it. So man.
We don't have Bobo. We miss Bobo though so badly. We were eating the patty and we just thought, wow.
Yeah, tell her.
Because Bobo like literally grew up on that when he was in Jamaica. Like literally we'd give him that to eat. Like we'd cool it down and then he'll eat that because the mince inside, you know. Now don't come at me guys in the comment section and tell me that I'm wrong for giving him beef patty, but damn.
No wrong with that.
Not because it's got spice.
No, but nah, not all of them.
Oh, doesn't matter. Bobo loved it and he never had an issue. So hey. Anyways, guys, big up yourselves. And love to you all.
Yeah, man. So blessings, guys.
Bye.
All right. So what you say that the rum?
Oh guys, so anyways, the rum, let me tell you about the rum. Appleton Estate brought back so many memories. As soon as I took a first sip, I said to Babe, you will see in the footage, I said to Babe, I said, babe, you gotta try this. This brings back so many memories. Oh, what is this place, babe? Look.
Got shoes, water.
Yeah, but they serve food and that.
Oh yeah? Oh,
yeah.
They have shoes.
And they have shoes. Wicked. What kind of food do they sell there? Well, we're gonna have to come back and try this one, guys. Anyway, so, oh, the rum was amazing.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it, guys. The rum was amazing.
Whenever I first may have a ginger beer, we have alcohol in it.
It was nice too.
Yeah, it was nice. So.
That was nice. I had a sip, guys.
Yeah, man.
Anyways, we gotta enjoy life, you know?
Yeah.
And that's beautiful, that building. What is that? Who is that?
The artist.
Who? Artist? Yeah. Oh, it is an artist. Alright, I think we are down there. The station's down there. Yeah. So this is the city nightlife, guys. Absolutely the best time we're having right now. This is great.